Hi and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video we are doing a Gucci handbag unboxing. I'm super excited to unbox this bag with you all. This will be my first time seeing it in person, and you all will see me see it for the first time, and so it'll be your first time seeing it as well. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscription button. It's free, and just join the family. While you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video as well, and turn on your post notifications button, the little bell at the bottom, so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury, where we can get to know each other there, just like how we're getting to know each other here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to enter into the 500 subscriber giveaway. We are getting so close. We're in the 300s, and we are getting closer and closer and closer to 500. And I thank you all so much for you all's love and support. And to say thank you, I am giving away a pair of Gucci sunglasses. These sunglasses can be somebody's once I hit 500 subscribers. So the faster we get to 500, the faster these sunglasses can be sent out to a lucky winner. All of the entry details will be in the description box down below, so just please check it out. Also, before we get into the video, I do want to say thank you for everybody who does comment on my videos. I want to let you know that your comments have not gone unnoticed. I know I used to respond to comments so much faster than how I respond to comments now, but I do see them and I do respond when I have an opportunity to respond. So just bear with me, and I'm thankful that you guys are bearing with me, and I hope to have responded to everybody's comment by the time this video comes out. But just know, yes, I do see you all's comments, and I am responding to them as quickly as I can. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned in the intro, I am doing a Gucci handbag unboxing. I think this is my first Gucci handbag unboxing that I've done on my channel so far, so this is really exciting. And yeah, I don't want to keep you guys waiting because I don't want to wait any longer myself. So the handbag that I got, I ended up ordering it through Farfetch, but Farfetch sent me the actual product from Gucci itself. The reason why I didn't buy this handbag straight from the Gucci website was because of the taxes. There was I want to say either a $20 or $40 tax difference, and of course I want to go with the cheaper tax price, so that's why I went with Farfetch. And this little cutie that I'm gonna unbox is something that I've been wanting for a really long time, and I'm just like, with all these price increases going on, Gucci is not, you don't hear too much about price increases when it comes to Gucci, but they can happen, and before this particular bag gets any more expensive, I just wanted to go ahead and get it while I can. And plus, it's a great summer bag. It's a great all year round bag, honestly, especially the color that I got it in. And so yeah, let's get right into it. So like I said, I ordered this from Farfetch, and I'm assuming that it came from, because I ordered it through Farfetch notified Gucci, and I guess Gucci sent me the product because the packaging is all Gucci packaging, the green box, and here is the green box with the handbag with the bow, and then they also gave me like a shopping bag, which I think is super cute. Yeah, it's like a little Gucci cloth tote, which I think is super duper adorable. But like I said, inside the box came the box with the handbag, and it also came with my like the receipt and the return information in this envelope. So in this box, it's beautifully wrapped, and in this box is the handbag. So we're just gonna take the ribbon off. This ribbon is gorgeous. And we're just gonna, and you can tell by the box that it's like a small item. It's not a huge handbag, but you all know I'm into mini handbags, so. And it is beautifully wrapped in the tissue paper. I feel like Louis Vuitton could do better when it comes to packaging up their handbags, because they don't go through all this effort. Once you rip off the the tissue paper, here is the dust bag with the handbag inside. And if we remove it out of the box and open up the dust bag, here she is. I got the Gucci Marmont Super Mini in the color white. It is an off-white color. It's not like super white, but it's off-white. This is the bag up close, and this is the back of the bag with the heart emblem on the back. You just open her up, and it comes with the packaging on the inside. Let me just take off the packaging really quickly. So inside the bag came the aged gold strap that comes with it. It also has a place that you can attach your keys, this lobster clasp. And it also comes with the care information as well. This bag I have been eyeing forever. I wanted this cutie for a long time, and I was just like, the time is now. Let me just hop on it and get her. I am going on a vacation, so this bag is gonna be cute with my outfits. I am super, super excited. It does have a microfiber lining on the inside. It's just one main compartment. The strap is removable. I have seen videos on YouTube where there are different ways you can wear this little cutie. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, like a long shoulder bag, a short shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, a belt bag, a wristlet, a clutch. The possibilities are endless. You guys know I don't have many white bag options in my collection now. I just have my Dami Azur and then this. So these two bags are the perfect, like, the perfect bags that if I don't want to gravitate towards something that's black or brown, I have this option to gravitate towards. And I just love the simplicity of the design. I love the chevron pattern. I love the stitching. I love the aged gold hardware on here. It's just everything. And you all know that I am the queen of mini bags, and I am addicted to mini bags, so this is the perfect handbag. Why did it take me so long to get this handbag? I honestly didn't know. Like, I had to do so much research when it came to this bag, because yeah, it says super mini and I want it to still be practical and functional, and I feel like this bag would just be practical and functional, just like what I need it to be. And I see this bag being like a forever bag in my collection as well, and I think it's so cute. It's very minimalistic, it gets the job done, and so yeah, so this is my new cutie. This is what I wanted to unbox with you all. If you like content like this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you also want to see what fits inside of this bag, comment that down below and I'll make sure to film a what fits in this bag video. And if you also want me to do a comparison video between this bag and my mini Gucci Marmont handbag, like the camera bag, I can also do a comparison video between those two bags, this bag and that bag as well. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury, and also don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing for 500 subscribers. I am giving away these Gucci sunglasses, so please make sure you are subscribed, and all the entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.